1962. JFK had moved into the White House. The Dodgers were the new kids in LA. And a young man named George Joseph had a dream to provide affordable auto insurance for everyone.
I believe the core principles that Mercury were founded on are respect to our customers and always keeping the customer in mind.
Probably dates back to the founder and George Joseph and his philosophies and the way that he treats people.
The example that he set of integrity, concern for the policyholders.
I think Mr. Joseph's background has had a huge impact on how he approached this business and how it shaped the company. He came from very humble means. He understood what it meant to work hard. He understood the value of a dollar.
In our community, we would work for $2 a day.
There was not a question about whether you worked, it was what you did.
He did anything, though, my brother, to try to make a better living for the rest of us.
Mr. Joseph's background, coming from immigrants, is a great part of why he's so driven.
Yesterday, December 7th, 1941, a date which will live.
He joined the service to fight for his country.
Joseph flew 50 bombing missions, helping to push the Germans out of Africa and liberate Italy.
All of those experiences have translated into what he has really taught us along the way.
Following the war, Joseph set his sights on a new goal.
I felt that if I went to a school with that reputation and graduated, then later on in life, I couldn't blame any failures on lack of education. I came to LA and went to interview with Occidental Life Insurance Company.
He started to see a need for treating customers a little bit better.
I felt the only way it could be done would be to start a new company.
In 1962, George Joseph launched Mercury Insurance, which allowed him to fulfill his vision of putting the customer first and making service the bedrock of an organization.
If a policyholder called me at home on Sunday and there'd been a fire in the restaurant or a car had run into the store, I was there to provide the service.
He does this on a regular basis. And that culture is embedded throughout the whole company.
The product and the pricing and our agency relationships, underwriting, claims practices, it's how those all come together that make Mercury unique and successful.
When I think of Mercury, I think about the millions of policyholders that we service year in and year out, and the value that we provide to our customers.
From humble beginnings to a company with thousands of employees and agents and countless satisfied customers, our mission remains the same: to provide the best service at an affordable price.